follow this country road around. It bends left and right, then left and right. When you get to the end of this road, it's going to be a closed junction. Over here, you need to watch out for horses and animals like cows and sheep and whatever in the road, or tractors like offloading onto these fields. So where you can't see and you go slower, it's good. So where you can't see over the brow of the hill, you're a bit more cautious, it's fine. So we're following the sign for Leeds and Rodley.
You're gonna go right?
Yeah, we're turning right here. Now follow the curve of the road, follow the white lane markings. White paint, that's it, yes. Try and get your wheels, both wheels, to stop on the line. So like this. Move forward a little bit more. Now straighten your wheels. Yeah, so both of your wheels are touching the giveaway line, okay? Are we in agreement? This is good, your positioning is fine now. And that's how you get, don't worry, just take your time, no stress on your test, okay? Nice and easy. Just remember, this is the optimal position to get the best view of this particular junction. When we turn right here, we're then going to turn right at the roundabout. And that would be perfectly fine for your test. If it's not safe, nobody expects you to come out into the road. So don't feel like pressured to come onto the road. But when it's safe, when you get that opportunity, then you come onto the road. Okay, now we're going to follow the road ahead. We're going to get to another roundabout. At the roundabout, there's actually two roundabouts. Okay, the first roundabout, it's one roundabout. It's really big. Sorry, I'm misleading there. So the roundabout, we are turning right. Okay, now what you need to do is keep to the right, and the right hand side marker will show ahead. You stay in that lane with your right signal on to follow the sign for the M1 M62, and then you slide into your left lane once you go past exit number 2. Okay, the floor markings tell you that as well. So we're now looking at the lane discipline. We can see there that we need to be to the right behind the black Audi car, behind this car here. So keep more to right, and now start your routine for a right turn. Good. Remember, these are controlled by traffic lights. Family, you're watching this as well, yeah? So what we do, we stay in this lane, we follow the road down. So all these three white cars, we stay in this lane. Can you see that? It's turned off now. But where that white van is, we're going to stay in that lane and go up that road. Can you see it there, the white van? And what you need to do after exit number 2, you need to move your car to the left. But you also need to look in the left door mirror, because if anyone's got it wrong, come off in lane 2. You can do it, it's perfectly fine. And then when you get a chance, you move to lane 1. So hopefully somebody will get it wrong so we can bring that into your driving. So nice and gentle, keep to the right. That's fine. You see how the Audi, keep an eye on the Audi there. And you see how he knows where he's going. Now people that live in the area know what they're doing. But somebody that's following a sat-nav, they won't understand. They'll treat it like the old roundabouts where after exit 2, you move to the left. But what they'll do, they'll slide across. So they can see markings on the floor there, and they'll go behind the blue car, and they might want to turn right, like that car did with us previously. If that happens to you, come off in lane 2. Don't make an issue of it. Avoid having an accident. Just move into lane 2. Adapt your driving for the conditions. But if there's nobody in your left, you go into the correct lane. Good. So take your time, nice and gentle. That's it. Stay very close to this line. Left mirror check, and now stay in lane 2. That's it. Because this car, the blue car's got it wrong. You see how the blue car got it wrong? So now we've come off in lane 2. It's the safest thing to do. So stay in lane 2, build up your speed, and then move back into lane 1 when you're ready, okay? And that's how every single person, if that was your driving test, it would have been fine. But if you followed religiously the rule that we have to do, you would have failed, because that blue car was in your lane and you'd have to give him way because he was there. So what you do there is you try and come off in lane 1 if it's safe, but if it's not safe or you deem you can't do it for whatever reason, you come off in lane 2. Absolutely no issues.